Again there fellas, here we go. Got the Bird of Prey IPA. Funky can. Alright, I'll give this one a crack. Great IPA weather. Cold. But today the sun's out, which is a bonus. Alright. Let's see the head on that. Oh, look at the head. Good, yes. So the Birds of Prey. Cloudy. Lightly filtered. 5.8%. Big nose, well finished, rounded, tasty. Not just a funky can, a really funky beer as well. Very nice. What do they say about it? Well, they reckon a whole lot of stuff. They're right into medieval Dutch Brewtown, Haarlem. I've been to Haarlem. Very beautiful beer. Well balanced, well done, boys. Thank you well. That's lekker pills. Bit better than pills. That's the IPA, the killer, kick-ass, good beers. Anyway, keep it up. That's what we want, plenty of good beers. More beers, more good ones. Alright, thank you. Cheers everyone.